26 volunteers coming down to the island this year. Quite a bit of new persons that have joined the team over the past year. So we got a good amount, about 10 additional persons just joined our team. We welcome them on this mission.
Alright, and tell us about the specific missions, like where I think we're going to start in Kingston. What else are we doing?
Yes, we're going to be starting off in Kingston day 1 and day 2 with health fairs in two communities, Greenwich Farm community and Iris Kelly school, that will be doing health fairs for those. And then from there we'll move on to also Spring, Trelawney. We'll have a health fair on Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday we should be in Mango Hall, South Newark, which will finish up our mission there, helping out people in that area.
Dr. Dixon, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling very good today. Today's a good day. It's cold outside, you can see the jacket. However, looking forward to another beautiful mission. I'm here with some of our team members and we're going down ahead of time to kind of like set up and prepare to welcome our volunteers.
Alright, so tell us about Mission for Change 2019. What can we expect this year?
Mission 2019 will be, as usual, a mission of change. Our sponsors and supporters help us raise some funds so we can make some much needed change in some of the lives of our everyday Jamaican folks that we try to service each year. We're starting off in Kingston this year, and we have some inclement weather, so we're hoping that all our volunteers will be able to get in time for our first health fair, which will be on Spanish Town Road. I think it's 181 Spanish Town Road. Touch of Blue Plaza, that's near Greenwich Farm off Spanish Town Road. That's a new venue for us, and we will be servicing the community, those who are underserved, who need our services, dental care, women's health, general medical screening. Most of our team are emergency physicians, so we're capable of dealing with any kind of emergencies or any kind of acute situation. That's Monday, and on Monday night we're going into the dance hall, Uptown Mondays, where we'll be providing HIV screening amongst hypertension and diabetes. But our main focus is HIV screening for the adolescents group. We have ads running on the radio station now. Let them know that we will be down there providing these services. And that's Monday night, Uptown Mondays. We were trying to do a game show in the dance hall. We'll see how well that goes off. And we're also going to be giving away free giveaways for, we're trying to encourage the adolescents to get tested. So we'll be giving away free phone credit to anyone who gets tested. Will get a free phone card, courtesy of JAHJAH Foundation, our sponsors, our volunteers, and those wonderful folks who support our gala and our events.
Nice. So volunteerism is a big deal. Not everybody think it's important, or we think it's important. Why is it so important to you to always give back to Jamaica?
I have a simple formula, and the formula is, to whom much is given, much is expected. I mean, if God has blessed you with things and a better life, I think it's our responsibility as human beings to share that blessing with those who are less fortunate. And every member of our team share that same concept. Our directors, Andy Roberts, Dr. Jacqueline McLean Marks, she shared the same concept, that we believe that we have done well in America. We're not wealthy, and we don't consider ourselves rich with earthly things, but we've done well, and we try to pass that on to our brothers and sisters in Jamaica and try to give them a better life, because many of us came from that same environment and we don't forget where we came from.
Right. So lastly, the JAHJAH Foundation strategy is focused on relationships with local partners and local champions. Tell us a little about that.
Yes, we first of all, we have to raise the funds here in the United States, Canada, and England. We raise the funds, and we cannot raise funds if it was not for our sponsors who step up big time. They put a lot of money into the foundation, and our supporters, those folks who come to our boat ride, who come to our gala, and who support our raffle tickets. Those are the bread and butter, the roots of our foundation, because it takes cash to care, as my friend Erwin Clay would say. So with that in mind, I want to thank our sponsors this year, Sunsplash Restaurant in Orange, New Jersey, Trans-Carib Shipping, Metropolitan OBGYN, McLean Smiles, Taste of the Island Spice in Teaneck, New Jersey. These are the folks who every year we can count on the commitment from them. The Vincent Hosang Family Foundation has also been very grateful to us. They've supported us, they've given us funds that help us to carry on. And this year in particular, Jamaican Organization of New Jersey have stepped up big time this year and donated $2,000 to us so we can go and make a difference in Jamaica. So I want to thank all those members and supporters who nominated us to be a recipient of that award this year. So thank them, and we look forward to get more sponsors on board. Our local champions in Jamaica, we should probably start with our ultrasound conference. Dr. Hugh Wong has been on board for 12, almost 13 years now. He's been one of the first champions that we identified living on the island in Jamaica. Mr. Nigel Moore in Ultra Spring, Trelawney, he's one of our champions. He sets up everything, so when we get down there, we have a flawless mission in the Ultra Spring area. One of our other new champion is Craig Deroy Jones from out of Mango Hall. He sets up everything, he cuts the lawn, he tries to get everything in place so that when we get to Mango Hall in Westmoreland that we have a good time. So these are our local champions, we thank them. Don't forget, last but not least, the Boardwalk Hotel. It's a boutique hotel in Negril. The leadership there, the Wallace family, have been very supportive of the JAHJAH Foundation. And we thank them for the accommodation and making us have a nice time when we're in Jamaica. Thank you.
All right, well, hope everything goes well in Jamaica. Any final thoughts?
No, I just want to say, shout out to all our supporters, sponsors, and last but certainly not least, our volunteers. Right now they're at the airport trying to get their flights sorted off. We have a very big storm, winter storm, Harper, who is threatening our volunteers from getting to the beautiful island of Jamaica. So we're going to weather the storm, and I hope to see you guys in Jamaica.